I'm back. I've been sick the past week, so I couldn't film. I'm starting out by priming with the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer in Cloud. Starting out with the shade Harlow from the Natasha Denona Ayana palette. To build up more depth before the dark brown, I went in with the shade Crease. With the same palette, I'm putting the shade Lash Line on the lid to make the lid shade pop more. Using the Maven Beauty by Fashion Nova Cosmic Drip Palette in Stargate, shades aren't named. This is a pink with a green shift. Topping the center with a copper shade that shifts pink. On to the next eye. I've really missed filming and creating content the last week. I had a bit of a sinus infection, so I kept sneezing and my eyes wouldn't stop streaming, so I was constantly blowing my nose and my eyelids were puffy. Highlighting the brow bone and softening the edge with the Revolution X Fortnite Face Palette. Priming with the Laura Geller Spackle Primer from the Hydrating line. Concealing with a mix of the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer in Cloud and the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Light Ivory. One is too light, one is too dark. I have such a hard time finding the right shade. Covering my dark circles, breakouts, and scars. Finishing my base makeup mixing the Revlon Colorstay foundation for combo skin in shade 110 Ivory, mixed with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Filter in shade 1. I mixed them for a lighter coverage foundation and an added glow to the skin. Making sure there's no creasing before I set. Setting my base with the Coty Spun Loose Powder in shade Translucent. I set heavier where I crease and get oily, and lightly dust the rest of the face with powder. Bronzing up my face with the Revolution X Fortnite Face Palette. Using the Ciate London Marbled Lights Blush in Halo. I added a little too much, so I'm patting on some extra powder from my sponge. Highlighting with the Revolution X Fortnite Face Palette. topping the highlight with the multi-chrome lid shade. Melting the powders with the Mannakadar Skincare Hydration Happy Mist. I tinted my brows while I was sick, so I'm just using the e.l.f. Brow Lift to set them in place. Tight lining and lining my eyes with the Trustique eyeliner in Santorini Black Sand. Framing my bottom lash line with the Natasha Denona Ayana palette in shade Crease. Highlighting the inner corner with the lid shade I used from the Maven Beauty by Fashion Nova Cosmic Drip palette in Stargate. Finishing my eyes with the e.l.f. Lash and Roll mascara in black. This is the best mascara. I will not tolerate slander, lol. I'm doing my favorite lip combo, the Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind, Cashmere Lip Pencil in Mocha and Maybelline Color Sensational Cremes Lipstick in Romantic Rose. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.